Hello viewers, today I am showing how to add users in NetYogi business management system. At first, we have to log in our panel with user ID and password. I have already logged in the system. Now I am clicking the home section where I can see the dashboard. In the left hand side where I can see user management. In the user management, I click on user. Then in right hand side where I can see the add section, click on it. Here I can add user by their name, email, address, password and all. At first I have to put their prefix, then name, email, their username, create their password. Now I am just clicking the normal passwords like 12345 6. Then confirm the password. In the role section where you can choose the role for this user like admin access, cashier, business developer, affiliate partner, business influencer. Here I can add business developer in the role section. You can give the role section at your own choice. Then you have to select locations, all locations or NetYogi India Private Limited. Here you can put it down his or her sales percentage commissions. It's a totally optional part. In the more information section, you have to put her birthday date, gender, marital status, blood group, mobile number, alternative contact number, family contact number, Facebook link, Twitter link, social media link and all. Their permanent address, current address, this all section, more information section is all are optional. Then you have to add their bank details and then last you have to select save. Now you can see in the user section, you can check your user has been added. Username Divya01, name Divya Basu, role business developer, mail, edit, view and delete action. Now here when you can add users, then you can see the users list. Thank you everyone. Thanks for watching.